This is Infinix Smart 7, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi of course, then input the Opera query at the search bar. Once the needed app is found, click at the install button, and let Opera be downloaded and installed respectively. Once the Opera was installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. And while opening it for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup. So firstly, tap at the continue button, then decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, and over here you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.